Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage the vitality score settings on your XIAOMI Smart Band 10. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the Mi Fitness app. Now select Fitness and Health, and here you will have the vitality score settings. Here you guys can enable the gold notifications for the vitality score reminders. Also here you can enable the 7-day progress and a daily progress to see whenever you reach the maximum of those vitality points, then you will get an achievement. And that's basically how those settings work. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.